In this video, I will show you how to download Telegram audio voice message and share on WhatsApp. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my iPhone. Now, what I'm going to do is open up the Telegram app first of all. And as you can see, I've got a chat here with a voice message. So if I actually click to go into this chat, now, what you're going to probably notice is if you actually press and hold onto this voice message, you're going to get some options come up, but as you can see, there's no option here to download. Now, it's still possible to download this, but what you need to do is actually use the web-based version of Telegram. So if you actually open up a browser, whether that's on your PC or mobile device, and what you want to do is come across to web.telegram.org. Now, once you're on here, as you can see, we've got the same chat here at the top. So if we go ahead, give this a press. And now if we press and long hold onto the voice message, we're going to get this menu come up. But as you can see, there's now an option to download. So if we give this a press, as you can see, it's going to start downloading this onto our device. And once that's downloaded, what you can then do is jump into your WhatsApp and you can share the audio voice message on WhatsApp. So that is how to download audio voice message from Telegram and share on WhatsApp. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.